Today, the world shook with the news coming from Asia. Kim Jong-un, the new supreme leader of North Korea, who has taken over duty after his father's death on December 2011, has long been under the spotlight due to his young age, his inexperience and rumors concerning his wish to engage further with the West. At 11 a.m. this morning, the North Korean government has officially announced that it is now opening its borders, letting the passage of persons both in and out of the country, and soon will be reshaping its economy to fit in foreign investments and international affairs. On has stated that this was a decision timely made and was for the best of the people of his nation. Kerem, we are with you.
While the media was busy covering the happenings in North Korea, yet another shocking development happened in Asia. Japan militarized the long-disputed Diaoyu-Senkaku Islands, thus signaling a big conflict with the Chinese government. Japan has also cut all the economic relations with China after this decision. Efe, we're back at you.
The news from Japan shook up China. Losing its fourth largest trade partner, China is now on the brink of serious economic struggle. Expressing that the government will take its time to respond to the military action, China will now try to pick up the pieces after Japan's withdrawal from the trade partnership.
It's been a week since Pyongyang's big announcement, and the world economy has not been slow to respond. Waves in currency rates have been changing enormously, but now it seems that a trend has settled. The yen has been losing value continuously for the past few days and now has hit rock bottom. The newly available North Korean market has drawn so much interest from the foreign investors that China, despite its low production prices, is now beginning to struggle in scoring orders.
Beijing has announced that they are cutting all financial and political aid previously allocated to North Korea due to economic downfall they are facing. North Korea has not hesitated to reply back to Beijing's diplomatic note by responding that if the Chinese should choose to reinstall said aid, they would consider to stop advancing forward with their nuclear program in order to restore international trust and peace while building up a strong stance for themselves in the international arena.
The Chinese Foreign Affairs Ministry has expressed its gratitude for North Korea's amicable approach. In the meanwhile, Chinese workers have had enough of the financial strain they've been put in. Marching down the streets, they have protested against the payment cuts and the increase in workload due to economic strain. This is the largest protest China has seen in years, with hundreds of thousands marching forward and resisting the governmental interventions.
The week has started off fast with a call for an immediate conference by North Korea, inviting the prime ministers and presidents of the People's Republic of China, Japan, and ultimately, shockingly, South Korea and the United States of America. In the brink of political, financial and social chaos, the world is attending in silence for the invited parties to respond. As of 10 p.m. GMT, all of the invited parties have been confirmed to attend the conference in Pyongyang, which is to be held on the 9th. As a final statement from the Secretary of State Hillary Clinton came in at 9:45 p.m. GMT, political analysts and newscasters everywhere are holding their breath to see how these leaders will shape the future. Newsflash, at 1 p.m. GMT, as the vehicle carrying the US delegation approached to the residential suite of Supreme Leader Kim Jong-un, and as the Secretary Hillary Clinton stepped out to enter the facilities, an assassination attempt has been made on her. Shot from the chest with a sniper rifle, Clinton has been hospitalized immediately and no further explanation was made. We'll be with Kerem for more information. Hold on.
We've been waiting here for hours, and now, as of 13:52, it has been confirmed that the Secretary, Hillary Clinton, has passed away. After another hour of waiting, we have shocking news. At 3 p.m., China has sent out 2 missiles that hit the Diaoyu Senkaku Islands.
Is it better to be feared or respected? And I say, is it too much to ask for both? With that in mind, I humbly present the crown jewel of Stark Industries' Freedom Line. It's the first missile system to incorporate our proprietary repulsor technology. They say the best weapon is one you never have to fire. I respectfully disagree. I prefer the weapon you only have to fire once. That's how Dad did it. That's how America does it. And it's worked out pretty well so far. Find an excuse to let one of these off the chain, and I personally guarantee you the bad guys won't even want to come out of their caves.
But is there any hope?
For your
Yes.
consideration,
TIMUN 2012.
here.